Side hustles are amazing and have so much potential. Do you hate your current job? Then start a side hustle and work your way to making it full-time. I've seen countless full-time stay-at-home moms and dads create amazing careers from a side hustle that they started in their free time with little to no experience, and I can guarantee that you can do it too. Only if you stay to the end of this video, I'll learn the various side hustles I'm about to show you. Number 1. Being a childcare provider. One of the biggest benefits of childcare is that you have full control over your schedules. Some people prefer to offer childcare during the day, while others might offer their services as a weeknight or weekend babysitter. Rates vary based on a number of factors, including where you live and how many kids you are watching. Additionally, if the childcare you offer is along the lines of in-home daycare with a more formal curriculum, you can expect to earn more for that as well. Just make sure that you are aware of any licensing requirements in your area, which is very important so you don't get yourself in trouble. Here.com is a smart resource to check out for this type of opportunity, and I'm going to drop the link in the description below so you can check it out. Number 2, become an Etsy seller. If you know how to develop artwork, crafts, jewelry, clothes, woodwork, or a multitude of other products, try selling your wares on Etsy. Selling your own product is one of the best ways to make money online, and if you love creating, then this could be a fun side hustle for you to do at home. Julie Bellinger made $10,000 extra in 1 year selling Etsy printables as a part-time side hustle, and if you can put in more effort just like I did, you can be able to make $50,000 in just a single year as well. Number 3, we have the virtual assistant. The internet has allowed people to make a comfortable living from home by helping others with their small businesses. If you are good with Instagram posts, managing Facebook groups, editing and proofreading articles, scheduling meetings, and also replying to emails, the role of virtual assistant, which is also known as a VA, may be the right fit for you. So depending on your skills, you can easily charge $30 per hour or more for a VA work. Also, you can earn as much as $1,000 per day or per week. Freelance writer. One of my favorite and most lucrative side hustles for stay-at-home moms and dad is freelance writing. It's amazing how much money you can make with a few extra hours of time and a passion for a topic. Companies often pay by the article or word count, that is 10 cents per word for a 1,500 word article. And also, you want to start a blog so prospective clients can read your writing before working with you. Over time, freelance writing can be an excellent way to make money at home. I have a few friends who, in quotes, are also parents that make well over $100,000 writing from home a year. Number 5, we have a ghostwriter. Do you have a way with words? Do you love to write? Then this gig is for you. Yes, we've already covered freelance writing earlier, but this is different. Ghostwriting is a type of freelance writing work, and as a ghostwriter, you write under someone else's name. Perhaps it's the occasional blog post, or maybe it's an entire ebook. The scope of ghostwriting work can vary widely. It is worth noting that you can often land rates that are more generous than freelance writing as a ghostwriter because you aren't publicly credited for your work. Number 6, we have a YouTube vlogger. Like blogging and podcasting, making money on YouTube takes a lot of time, patience, and dedication. In the beginning, you probably won't make much money at all, but over time, you can start earning as much as $1,000 or more per month in advertising revenue. So there's this new book I'm really enjoying by Joseph Ho. The new book is called Crushing YouTube. He's making well over $10,000 per month and now sharing advice on how he's done it. So you can check it out and learn a thing or two from him. 7, becoming a private tutor. Are you knowledgeable about a particular topic? Tutoring might be a great fit for you. The hours are really flexible, and there's nothing more fulfilling than watching a student have that light bulb moment where everything clicks. During the pandemic, many tutors and families switched over to Zoom and other online platforms. This online trend may continue as it is certainly more convenient for families. Still, by being open to in-home and virtual tutoring options, your client pool is significantly larger. To get started, you might reach out to local public libraries and schools to inquire if there are any TUTOR registries you can join. Depending on the subject area and your location, you can expect to earn $15 and $50 an hour. 8. Become a transcriptionist. If you have an ear for detail and are quick at the keyboard, transcript work could be the gig for you. Most of the time, transcriptionists are typing written words of doctor's notes or class lectures. Though some transcription work could also involve transcribing for podcasts and vlogs. This entry-level gig won't make you rich overnight. However, transcriptionists can land upwards of $25 an hour. As with all at-home work, make sure you vet the company you work for. Working directly with medical offices, for instance, might also pay a higher rate than using a third-party company online. Number 9, you can become a social media manager. So are you always scrolling on your phone? If social media is part of your comfort zone, you can put those skills to work as a social media manager. Brands are quickly realizing the value of having an online presence. Formerly, online presence used to be creating just a web page. Now there's content and audience engagement on everything from Instagram and Pinterest to TikTok and Facebook. So as a result, many brands hire social media managers to create and post content on their behalf. Number 10, become an online boutique seller. This work from home gig can be similar to Etsy that we discussed earlier. Some online boutique sellers actually do use Etsy, but platforms like Poshmark and even eBay are significantly more popular. Some online boutique owners might sell items they buy from wholesalers. Others might specialize in vintage finds that they thrift. To get a sense of whether or not this work is right for you, do your research. Spend time browsing online boutiques and then look into both the time and cost commitment of getting started. Many sellers take a toe dip by selling items they already own and then use that as another way to gauge whether they want to open an online boutique or not. Number 11, we have becoming a website designer. If you have an eye for design, website design can be very lucrative. It's a highly sought after skill, with everyone from individuals to bigger brands needing a website. Many people double dip with website design and graphic design, though it's important to have some background in the technical skills needed for website design. Number 12, become an SEO specialist. Do you have a working understanding of search engine traffic? Even if you aren't already well versed in search engine optimization, also known as SEO, you can learn fairly quickly. There's an abundance of free and low-cost information online. Once you master the art of SEO, you can work as an SEO specialist. This work requires you to edit existing website copy to make it more Google-friendly. You may also be asked to create new content yourself or work with a freelance writer. SEO specialists report earning between $25 to $75 an hour. 13. Becoming a bookkeeper. So do you love numbers? There's a good chance you do. And since you're hanging around the personal finance sites, bookkeeping is an excellent work from home job for you. While this role can vary a bit based on who you work for, you will likely be assigned a variety of tasks. Some tasks may include tracking important financial documents, reconciling bank transactions, and running payroll for other employees. Remote bookkeepers report earning anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000 a year. I think I need to move this one up the list of side hustles for stay-at-home moms, and that because it is highly profitable. You can become a retail arbitrage seller. Retail arbitrage can be extremely profitable. This is when you buy items from one location like Walmart and then sell them for a higher price elsewhere. Some people are making big bucks while others are losing money. So be careful, do your research, and ensure you are using this tactic in a smart way. So I hope this video has been able to guide you about the various side hustles you can start from home as a stay-at-home mom and dad. If you want to see more videos like this that will teach you more about other side hustles, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any video when it drops. See you in the next video.